In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in a table in Notion. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or a newcomer eager to enhance your organizational prowess, you'll find this task both simple and empowering. Let's dive right into it. Start by logging into your Notion account. With everything you need at your fingertips, simply locate your workspace and get ready to manage your content effortlessly. For creating a new page, move your cursor to the sidebar and click on the pencil icon. This little icon stands ready to assist as your gateway to numerous possibilities or perhaps just the next big idea you aim to document. Once your page is open, it's time to bring in a table where you'll organize your images. Head over to the navigation bar and click on the three dots or the More option. This option unveils a myriad of exciting and useful content types to enrich your document. Among these options, select Table. Notion makes adding tables remarkably straightforward, allowing you to neatly arrange your data or images. With your table created, it's time to give it a distinctive name. This not only makes it easier to locate in the future, but also gives an air of personality to your digital space. After you've named your table, proceed to label the columns. Think of these labels as your framework, grounding your table's content. Now, take a moment to fill each row with relevant labels. Imagine them as tiny snippets guiding your viewer's eye through your visual narrative. It's almost as if you're laying down the tracks for a story waiting to unfold. As you label, you might realize the need for additional columns to enhance your table. Don't worry. Adding properties is a breeze. Simply click on Add Property and voila, you're powered up to give your table a customized structure. Next, navigate to your new property titled Files and Media. This is where things get interesting, as you prepare your table to feature vibrant images. Click on any cell within this column. Notice that an option pops up to choose a file. Click on Choose a File, which will prompt you to browse your device for the perfect image. Select your desired image file, and just like that, it's embedded in your table. It's almost magical how seamlessly Notion facilitates this process. Once your image is in, explore it further. Notion enables you to click on the image to zoom in and out, providing an interactive experience for you or anyone who views the table. And there you have it, a beautifully organized table with images in Notion that speaks more than 1,000 words. Practice it a couple of times, and you'll be navigating Notion's features like a pro, utilizing images in tables to create engaging and meaningful content. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Notion.